Web.com's AI website builder tool lets you create a professional website in just a few minutes, even if you don't have coding skills. The AI builder works by asking you simple questions and then designs a professional-looking website based on your answers. To start, you can add details about your website. Write a short answer that sums up what your site should be about. For example, if you have a gardening website, you can just type "gardening website." You can answer this question in two ways, either with a short description of your business or a more detailed one. If you're building a gardening website, you can write something like, "We focus on clean organic gardening techniques in North Carolina. Our goal is to make gardening fun again." We encourage you to add as much detail as possible to your description. The more information you provide, the better the AI tool can tailor a relevant and unique website for you. Once you've answered all these questions, the AI tool takes a few moments to analyze your responses and build a website. Your new site will open in the site editor, where you can customize it further. Remember, the site is not live yet, so any changes you make are only visible to you. Once you have your initial design ready, you can make edits to any text block. You can either manually type in what you like or use AI Writer. This AI-powered tool can write engaging and unique website copy for you. You can also adjust the content tone, length, and language to match your brand. To use AI Writer on your site, select the text you want to update. Then select the AI Writer icon, add the details, customize the settings, and the new copy will replace the existing website copy. To adjust your site colors, click on the theme icon and select Colors. From there, you can modify the primary, secondary, and complementary colors of your website, as well as the color of your site text. Alternatively, you can select a predefined color palette from the dropdown, or utilize the Color Wizard feature, which enables you to upload an image that best represents your site. This tool will then automatically select suitable theme colors for you. To replace an image, select the image you want to replace. Then click on the Edit option and upload an existing image from your local drive or image library. You can also search for a new image from the stock photo library or create a new one using the Design Studio feature. If you want to add a new block or feature, select the Build option. You can add banners, buttons, text, images, forms, social media share or like button, and more. The Advanced section allows you to add embeddable code to your site. You can choose to add a page, folder, link, or anchor page. Select Page and choose the type of page you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll choose Template. Next, select the layout that you want, and then click the page you want to add, such as About Us, Services, Products, or Contact Page. Now you can customize the page as needed. Once you've made all the changes to your website, click on Preview button to see how it will look once published. You can also click on the device icons to check its responsiveness on different screens. When you're ready to go live, click the Publish button. Web.com. One stop, all done.